Welcome to our first build on Bowser Builds. This will be a restoration of a hand plane. Now, I've never done one of these before, but I have watched several videos on how to do so, so I'm going to give it a shot. Now, this was one I picked up at a yard sale for I'd say like $5. You can find these all over at your local yard sales. It was quite rusty. It's a Craftsman. I did end up in the process of taking it apart. It did snap a bolt on me, so I'll figure out a way to get that out later and get that fixed. The whole inside of it was caked with old rust and shavings from the years of its working, so I'll get that all cleaned up. Laid out all the pieces here so I can get an idea of what I had. Now, the system I was using for sanding it down is actually it's a flat glass plate from Rockler. It's part of their sharpening system. Then I just got a couple of 9-inch disc sander adhesive blades or pieces and put them on there and use those to help keep it flat. That way I make sure I keep a perfectly flat bottom to it. Turned out to be quite a bit more work than I thought it was going to be to begin with. Tried to make sure I got even pressure on it so I could keep it as flat as possible. It was doing a pretty good job. Took quite a bit of time. Yep, there's the broken bolt. I'll get it out eventually. That'll be for a later project. Sandpaper, I'll have to get some new sandpaper as well. There's a bit of a curve to the bottom of it. It dips in right in the middle, and there's some bit of rust spots where it's pitted in the top. Well, I'll have to get that taken out. Overall, it's starting to come together pretty easily. The cap's got a bit of rust on it. I'll have to go through and clean that off once I get time. But overall, it's in really good shape. It's all surface rust. Pretty much everything on this has surface rust. If anyone out there has any ideas or suggestions they can give to me, I'm all ears. Like I said, it's the first time I've done this. If you like my video, please subscribe, hit the like button, and I hope to get more of these out. Thank you. Have a good day.